Welcome to the Glow Up Show and Tell. Today's video is a project reveal from my previous video on the channel. This was a 2000s exclusive Y2K upcycle, where I took a wallet and converted it into a crossbody, aka WOC, wallet on chain. That's not my official term. I'm sure if you were to search right now either on Google or YouTube, you'd be able to see different variations of a wallet on chain. Some are made by the designer as an exclusive style, along with this unique item, which is exclusive on its own. It's handmade, and we took vintage and gave it a repurposed life. I love this particular repurposed project because this particular limited edition collab collection is very costly on the market despite any vintage age. So a wallet upcycle trick will give you what you want without having to break the bank.
And it's old to reworked.
So in this case, if you do admire this collection, it's an easy upcycle to make of your own, and to have a statement piece that is both unique and convertible to wear on multiple occasions or settings. The name of this design is the porte-tresor International Wallet
in the Takashi Murakami edition.
What's so special is the notorious multicolor monogram that screams fun. This vintage collection, as said before, is from the Y2K, with I believe the discontinuation from 2010. I've admired this Takashi Murakami collection since I was super young. I loved multicolor things. I painted the vachetta trim in Tarago 638. It's called baby blue. Obviously not the traditional version of baby blue. This is the epitome of cornflower blue. It's a few shades before primary blue and royal blue, with similar saturation and less intensity. This is a great color to pair with other boldly saturated colors in clothing or accents in your outfit. So since this is a piece that's been recycled in a hybrid wear, it has the everyday potentials for on-the-go lifestyles, or as an evening wear piece and statement wear. Anything can really be pulled off. It's just a matter of confidence. And don't not wear multicolor things because it's associated with the rainbow and that's associated with something else. If you like colors, wear them. The world needs more color, obviously. Confidence is the only ingredient that you need when it comes to style and expression. Although I have provided a tutorial for you, I want to show you closer detailing to help with your own upcycle project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box below, especially for materials and eBay sellers that I can provide for you. I find that a 47-inch chain works best. It suits various heights and doesn't look awkward for hanging too low. I designed this upcycle hybrid with thoughtfulness in a way that I imagine the placement worn on the wearer to either be natural waist or to be hung beside the hip. Aside from the blue being gorgeous, enjoy the versatility of the color blue, and of course its association with the sky. The cornflower blue is really lovely on either the black or the white multicolor monogram, probably one of the top 5 appealing colors for both complementary and popularity on the market. So I usually don't select a color that is featured on the monogram. I felt that it would bring a focal point to the blues already featured to have it pop. I love that it's so close, but not quite. Overall, it's obvious that it would be a unique item to have in your wardrobe and a fun feel wear to enliven any day or night. This does do well on Poshmark. I've had it on the market for almost 3 years now. Do sell at a price point of $500 and higher, depending on the color used. You can base that information and price to apply when you're hunting for a porte-tresor wallet. You can figure out the cost, time, and markup price that you wish to sell the item for. I will share with you that the white version of this one from my other video sold within 24 hours. Not only did I manage to flip it in 24 hours, it sold for $579. Now, if you viewed that video, I only purchased the wallet for $109. That's a profit indeed for an easy level skill upcycle project. Again, this can be done with many wallets available. I'm hesitant with not ruining the image to upcycling. I want to make sure that projects that I do maintain a level of craftsmanship in the aesthetic. So I feel this one has both the purpose from its original design and taking advantage of its rather larger than normal size and converting it into everyday or an evening bag, with also the designer shoulder pad as a cross feature. Well, I hope that you found this informational and inspiring for some handmade art in your life. Stay tuned for some more artisan upcycle projects in the near future. Subscribe for some cool content on your feed to appeal to your artsy fancy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video. It does help push the content on the algorithm. I appreciate you. Until next project time,